Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel, Tech in Resham. In this video, we'll continue using a local LLM, Ollama with Llama 3.2, which we set up and configured in the previous video. We'll also explore using Airtable services to manage our inventory stock. First, let's head to the Tools branch of the AI agent and search for Airtable tool. We'll create an Airtable search agent and make sure we give it a description, like search inventory. The operation will be search, and the base drop-down will let us pick our Airtable base, which will also apply to the table. Now, we can go back to the editor and rename the agent to its proper name, which should be search inventory since that's what it does. The description is more important than the name. I tested the inventory AI agent by asking it about our inventory, and it gave me accurate info from Airtable. Next, we want to put inventory data from chat messages into Airtable. To do this, we'll make another AI table agent with a description of add inventory. The operation will be create, and we'll pick the same base as before, Airtable, and the table, inventory. We'll need to manually map columns, like on the screen. For example, to add 10 units of pens to inventory, we can use the expression 10 in the quantity column. Now, instead of using the search inventory agent, we'll use the add inventory agent. Let's rename this agent to add an update. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks a bunch.